In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft launcher error code with that specific number. Now this typically indicates an issue with the Minecraft launcher's connection to the Microsoft Store. Now this could be due to network problems, account issues, or launcher glitches. Now we're going to look at some potential fixes that can get rid of this error. Well, the first one we have is to check network connectivity. Network connectivity. So ensure internet connection. Now verify that your device has a stable internet connection. Now sometimes a simple restart of your router can resolve network issues. Also make sure your firewall and antivirus softwares aren't blocking the Minecraft launcher. You might need to temporarily disable them to test. Well, the second fix is to update Windows. Update Windows. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date because outdated systems can sometimes cause compatibility issues. The next step is to restart Microsoft Store. Restart Microsoft Store. So close and reopen the Microsoft Store app because this can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. The next step is to clear Microsoft Store's cache. So clear Microsoft Store cache. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this. So you have to go to settings on your Windows device and then search for apps and click on apps and features. Then locate the Microsoft Store app. Click on the three dots next to the Microsoft Store app and select advanced options. Now under reset, click on reset. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache. The next fix is to check Microsoft account. Check Microsoft account. So sign out of your Microsoft account and in the Minecraft launcher and then sign back in. Now ensure there are no issues with your Microsoft account such as payment or subscription problems. Well, you could also try reinstalling Minecraft launcher. So reinstalling Minecraft launcher and hoping that the error automatically goes away. And the next and the last fix we have is to verify game files. Verify game files. I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. So for this, you'll have to launch the launcher. So open the Minecraft launcher. Now ensure that you have the latest version of Minecraft installed and then look for an option to verify game files or scan for corrupted files. And this will check the integrity of your Minecraft installation. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.